Good afternoon, my crafty friends. This is Debbie with DRN Market. Back again today to try to create a ornament made from it's either a salt shaker or a pepper shaker. Now, I have about 5 of these. The only problem that I'm having is this hole is not big enough. So, I'm going to have to try a way to either drill this or maybe use wire instead of ribbon. Now this one, actually, these holes are big enough. So I'm not sure even if this one, it's just because the holes are way down here. I'm not sure. This might have been more of a, like you put like a cotton ball or something in there with a scent on it, like one of those pomade things. This hole's like big enough. Um, these are all that they had no mate, probably got broke. And so this is, yeah, what I have. But yeah, the hole needs to be bigger. Or find some wire or something is the only thing I could think of. But then once you pull the wire through, it's like you don't really want to see the wire. So yeah, I don't know. But anyway, these pieces of ribbon are approximately 18 inches long. I just chose some random pieces. And I'm gonna show you. It actually, I kind of did a little demo before. It actually looks really cute. So I do have this also, this tool. This is a beading tool. And again, this only fits in this hole because you need something kind of stiff. I tried using those flosser threaders. Yeah, floss threader. Those were too, yeah, they just did not, wasn't stiff enough. It kept moving. I couldn't find the hole. So, okay. So since I have this one, I'm going to try to maybe coordinate the colors just a little bit. Oh, but first of all, we need something to tie. So I did choose like the black. Okay, where's the black? This is a really thin piece. This is like an 1/8 of an inch wide. And this is the one that I'm going to use to tie them all together. So I'm going to tape this down just a little bit. And then that way, so I know that's the piece that needs to be picked up to tie. And that's just something I do, you guys. You don't necessarily have to do that. Let me go ahead and move the shaker out of the way. Like I said, I don't know which shaker this is. So I did choose a bunch of different types of ribbon. This is the lace ribbon. We have a pom-pom ribbon. I'm just kind of staggering them. Let's see. This isn't a really dark green, but I think it'll be okay. Oh, that one looks a little bit longer than the 18. Yeah, that one's about 19. But you can, you can cut them afterwards, after you put them on there. So I was just trying to get colors that complemented, maybe a little bit on the darker side. Some check. Oh, here's some gold cording. Like I said, I'm just staggering them back and forth. This was from a gift. This wasn't even on a spool or anything, so I think there was just a tiny piece left over. Here's some more purple. And here's my leaf ribbon, which I thought would look kind of cool in there. Let's see. I'm trying to remember how many did I do. And again, this is another offcut. So I might want to count these, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's 10 right now. So I'm thinking that we're getting close. Let's see, 10, 11. Yeah, that's another offcut. It's not very big. That was 11. You guys, this is going to be really quick too. It didn't take that long at all to do this. Okay, there's 12. Maybe should we go for 14? Do some more ribbon. I have a cream color ribbon. Maybe I'll do this one. Cream color lace ribbon. Like I said, and once it's pulled through, you can either shorten them or maybe put little different angle on it. Let's see. Was that 14? There's another piece of green I kind of like in there. I think I lost track again. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, I'm not doing 13, so we need one more. Here, we'll just do some more leaf. We'll do some more leaf. Like that leafy green. Okay, 14. I did 14 strands. And this actually makes the black one will just come through the top, so that one doesn't really even count. Like again, you guys, this is all ribbon I have on hand. I did not go buy anymore. This is left over from projects. So, yeah, I'm hoping I can get those other ones drilled. I think these are such unique ornaments. Yeah, I just, the really thin ribbon. Let's see, hopefully that's approximately in the center there. Let's see, I'll just do this way and see. Yeah, that's good. Just get a double knot in here as tight as you can. The ribbon happens to slide just a little bit. Just, you know, do the best you can. And now, if this hole was big enough too, if it was a little bit larger, you know, you could actually pull this all the way through. But that, like, did not happen. But this right here, because the hole's large enough, this was just made it so nice. Nice and stiff. Oh, wait, I know what I did. I did went the top this way and then pulled it through. And then this actually becomes the hanger to hang on a tree or wherever you want to hang it, because it's really not that Christmassy. You know, if you just have a little ornament, you could hang it maybe on that tie back if you have that drapery on a tie back or curtain on a tie back. What else could you do? You could put it on a, you know, hang it on a doorknob if you have a knob. Yeah, and it just play around to get these to lay down. You guys will have to let me know what you think about this. Like I said, I've seen other creators do this. Some of them use wire. You could actually probably put a bead on here. I don't have a bead around here. If you made this a little bit longer, you could actually add beads. So just remember that the hanger part, you want to, if you want to add beads, I mean, you can add a lot of stuff on here. So I just kind of made this really simple. Tied that in there, except, yeah, I need a bead. It's falling through. Okay, so let's see here. I need a bead with a big enough hole. So hopefully I can find a bead pretty quickly. I have the wooden beads. That's not my first choice, but since they're readily available, I already have them out. I'm going to, you can hear me digging in the little container over here, so maybe I'll get a dark one. It won't look so bad. And these have large holes in them too, so yeah, works out really well. realize that that was going to pull through like that. I might need a smaller bead though. Okay, let's see if it'll knot. If it doesn't knot, I'll have to think of something else. If that knot won't stay there, I'll have to find another bead with a smaller hole. Yeah, it's coming right off. So, okay, guys. Well, not a complete fail, but so like I said, just you know, you can pull these out so you can see the different, you know, designs on it. But I think it's kind of cute. I'm just gonna have to try to find a bead with a smaller hole or stuff something in there. And then just you know, you just put a knot on the top. I don't want to do that yet. And that'll be the hanger wherever you need, wherever you want to hang it. Like I said, you could really color coordinate these to your different, if you have these, or these are so readily available at the thrift store. It's just ridiculous. So, and I just always pick up the ones that have really, this is actually hand painted. So, let's see. I don't know if this one is or not. This one might be. Feels like it is. You can feel it too if you rub on your finger. Now, if you feel like any, not bumps, but lines and things like that, you know it's been applied. This one, yeah, this one also, you can tell when they're hand painted. This cork stuck in there. Oh, this one looks like it came from Target. It looks like a Target symbol, but it's hand painted. And then this one here is definitely vintage. It says 1982 on the bottom. There's some little mark there I can't read. I really like him. I like rabbits. And then this one, let's see, I can kind of feel, yeah, this one might be an applied design. Yeah. So anyway, you guys, that's it for today. I hope you like it. Like I said, I did have that one little hang up. It's not, I don't consider it a fail. I just need to, yeah, just get a bead on there that this won't sink down into. So here we go. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a great day. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.